The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Thursday, and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 15, verses 9 to 11. Jesus said, "Remain in my love, follow my commandments, and your joy will be complete." Who wants to be sad? I don't think there is any one of us who will really desire sadness. We all want to be happy. However, not everyone wants to remain in the love of God. We look for happiness somewhere else. We look happiness from wealth, from power, from people. But we are often away and apart from the Lord. We thought that will make us happy. But those kind of happiness are actually fleeting and momentarily. But when we are in love with the Lord, and when we are connected with God, there will be sadness at times, but there is definitely a more genuine and enduring happiness that we shall experience. At the end, we shall realize that life is not about having so much, but life is all about experiencing joy. Do not cast your roots on places, persons, or things, because when they are gone, you will be uprooted. Rather, cast our roots on one that will endure forever, who is our God, and our joy will be complete. God bless you.